Hello there. So you wanna know how you can simply go ahead and reset your password on your Costco application from your mobile device. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and open App Store and search for Costco if you haven't already downloaded and installed the application. Once you've done that, simply go ahead and tap on this application, download and install it, and click on Open. Now, once you've done that, all you need to do is simply go ahead and tap on the account tab on the bottom. Click on the sign in or create account right over here. It's going to take a bit to load up, but once you're going to be on this page right over here, all you need to do is simply tap on the forgot password right below the password tab right over here on sign in, and you're going to be taken to this page right over here where they're going to ask you for your email, and simply go ahead and enter your email. They'll send you a verification code to reset your password. Enter that verification code back into this application, and once you do that, it's going to ask you to create a new password. So that is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.